Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learning Excel. Today we're going to continue the lesson that we learned on the last Excel video, that is how to link checkbox into a cell. So there's a faster way to do this using macro. But first, you need to create the checkbox. If you have the first one, just copy it and then put it below it. It needs to be sorted. You could put the random things here, but make sure it's sorted every checkbox for every cells, okay? But don't paste it on the current checkbox. If you, for example, you have this thing, copy, you need to put it down first and then block it. If you paste it here, it's gonna have create two checkbox in one cell. You don't want that. So next, we need to use the developer tab. Developer, click Visual Basic. I'm going to copy paste a script here. Okay, this is the script. I'll call it links all checkbox. This is a variable. Child checkbox is a checkbox, just to define. It's going to be a placeholder for all the checkbox. Column post, as long it's going to decide which column in here that we're going to use it. We currently have already connect this thing into this part of tables. I'm going to connect it now to the F columns, but we need to know the position, like this is the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and etc. So we're going to pick this on the first one, so it's going to be 5. Okay, it's 5, so it put to 5 here in the position. And then I'm going to check for each child checkbox. It means it's going to be a placeholder, and I'm going to put it or iterate all these checkbox here in that this sheet checkbox. Going to iterate from this, and doing this for every iteration, doing these two line here. So I'm going to link cells for child checkbox. For first, it's going to go here because we showed it out. It's going to link it to F and column post, that is 5. So we got a column F5. I'm going to change the column post +1, so it's going to change into 6. It's going to iterate to the second checkbox and going to link it to F6, and then iterate to the third checkbox and going to link it to F7. So okay, currently we are linked on this thing, and this new checkbox is actually not linked to this, right? Because we just copy paste this. So we're going to check it manually if we want to connect it to this part, but we're not going to do that. We're going to connect this directly to this part. So yeah, let's play it. Okay, just that, it's currently linked. See, it's linked here, it's linked here. And you could edit the script wherever you want. I'm going to put it on the description. It's basically very simple just to edit it, and you can modify it to fulfill your needs. But having much or many checkbox now not going to be a hell to set up if you use this macro. And you doesn't even need to save it as XLS macro, because after you set it up, you could just save it as LSX. You don't need the script anymore after it connects. So that's good, because sometimes people just afraid to open XLSM if they're not sure, and sometimes they even the security block it. Anyway guys, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.